You don't need to ask your mom or friends for help anymore. Your phone can answer these questions for you. If you have an iPhone, it takes just a few seconds. Today, I want to show you how to do laundry, identify food, and recognize plants with your phone. Before their first wash, most people aren't sure what the symbols on clothing tags mean. iPhone users don't have to rely on guesswork or search engines. Their phones will do it for them. Simply take a photo of the label with the symbols. Then, open the Photos app. At the bottom of the photo, you'll see a washing machine icon. Click on it, and the explanations for all the symbols will appear on the screen. Another handy trick is for identifying plants. Just take a picture of a plant you find interesting while on a walk, and your iPhone will tell you what it is. This feature can recognize any potted or wild-growing flower. Every plant enthusiast will love using this function. You can use the same trick for fruits. If you're abroad on vacation and a vendor hands you a delicious fruit you don't recognize, take a picture with your phone, and Apple will identify it for you. Thanks to this feature, you don't need to search for information online anymore. Your iPhone does it for you. Let me tell you why I keep stones in a bottle. For this trick, all you need is a plastic bottle and some stones. Make an opening in the center of the bottle, draw a medium-sized rectangle with a marker, then cut it out with scissors or a knife. Next, create a smaller hole at the back of the bottle. Heat a burner and carefully press it to the bottle to make the hole. Now, put some stones inside through the cutout opening, but don't overfill it to prevent them from falling out. Most people don't know that this can give them faster internet for free. The smaller hole allows you to hang the bottle higher in the house, where the signal is often stronger. This trick is perfect for people living in rural areas or on the outskirts of town where the signal may be weaker. To enhance the effect, you can place your phone in the bottle when sharing its internet. The basalt and granite in the stones help improve the signal. All you need is an old phone charger, and you'll have the best digital antenna. As you can see, my TV isn't picking up any channels. I don't have cable or a satellite dish. With an old phone charger, you can receive all available channels without any problem. Here's how to do it. First, grab an old phone charger. Use scissors to cut off the plug end. You won't need it anymore. Then strip the outer insulation of the cable just like I'm showing. Inside, you'll find a few wires. Strip their ends to expose the copper strands. Now you'll need a coaxial antenna cable. Remove the white coating to reveal the copper core. Now connect the charger part. Attach one of the wires to the copper core and the other one to the braided shield. After joining both parts, wrap everything tightly with electrical tape. Then attach the antenna connector. Put it on the other end of the cable and screw it on firmly. Finally, plug the coax connector into the antenna input of your TV and check the channels. As you can see, the signal comes in perfectly. Put a regular straw into your phone. This is a trick used by repair shops, and it can make an old phone work much better. Start by taking a plastic soda bottle and cutting off the top with the cap. Now work on the cap. Make a hole in it. You can use a lighter and a screwdriver or a soldering iron. Push the straw through so it sticks out on both sides, then seal it with hot glue, covering the joint carefully. Wait until the glue dries. This homemade tip fits any household vacuum cleaner. Regular vacuum nozzles are too big to clean a phone properly. Just attach the one you made from the bottle and straw. It's very precise, so it's perfect for cleaning electronics, like phones that collect dust inside. A dirty charging port can cause problems, but with this trick you can easily remove sand and dust. Simply insert the straw into your phone and turn on the vacuum. The built-up dirt will disappear in seconds. You can do the same with headphone jacks or speakers. Never charge your phone this way. 99% of people make this mistake. When you lay it flat, the battery heats up faster, and the phone gets hot. This can cause the battery to wear out up to 3 times faster. If you want to take care of it, place the phone screen side down. You can also put it sideways in an egg carton. This way, it will have better ventilation and won't overheat as much. Insert cotton swabs into the holes of the power strip. Trim them beforehand to the proper length. Place them into the openings, one in each hole. Next, apply electrical tape and adjust it to the size of the strip, cutting a suitable piece. Now place the cable, coiled in a loop, against the strip. Wrap the cable around the strip to keep it from tangling. Finally, pass the plug through the loop you created and gently pull the cable tight. Everything stays neatly secured and ready for storage. How to lower your electricity bill when using air conditioning. Air conditioning is a lifesaver, especially on hot days and warm nights. But while it brings comfort, it can also drive up your energy bills. Here are some simple tips to help you save money without sacrificing comfort. First, always make sure your windows are closed when the AC is on. It sounds obvious, but many people forget. And if you're not home, turn it off. Newer AC models can be programmed to switch on just before you return, so you walk into a cool space without wasting energy. On sunny days, keep your windows covered. Use curtains or external blinds to prevent the room from heating up too much. Another key rule: don't set your AC to the lowest temperature. The ideal indoor temperature is about 14 degrees Fahrenheit, cooler than the outside temperature. This keeps you comfortable without overloading your system or harming your health. Regular maintenance is also essential. Clean or service your air conditioner often, and always have a certified technician handle refrigerant refills. Using AC is convenient, but with a few smart habits, you can stay cool without racking up high electricity bills. This spray makes my home smell like a luxury hotel. Guests always think I'm using expensive fragrances, but you can make it in just a few minutes using 4 ingredients you already have at home. Start by grabbing a clean spray bottle. It helps distribute the scent evenly. The first ingredient is cloves. Not only do they have a warm, spicy aroma, but they're also natural odor neutralizers and have a calming effect. Drop a few into the bottle. Next, take a scented dryer sheet. This little detail gives the mixture depth and lasting power. Roll it up and place it in the bottle. Heat some water in the microwave and pour it in. The warmth helps release the fragrance more quickly and intensely. Then add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. You can mix scents however you like. Screw the cap on and shake well to blend everything. Spray the mixture on curtains, pillows, or your sofa. You can even use it on your doormat or inside the bathroom. The scent lasts longer than a typical air freshener. Your home will smell amazing, and everyone will ask you what you're using. I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use 2 cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick.